makes a good home because you have their comfort all the way through the day.
A good home means having somebody to guide and be warm and feel safe around others.
A safe environment, and you can have like food and drink to eat out of.
Is having a bedroom and parents looking after you and having water and food.
To feel safe.
A good home is something like that won't tip over or collapse when a storm comes or anything else, like a tornado, something that will keep you safe.
Going to bed.
Having everybody for you to look after, having food and drink in your bellies and looking out the window and having a roof, a safe place.
A garden so you can stay safe because not everybody has a garden and you're really special if you have a garden. Just having a safe environment, making sure there's nothing around you that can make you ill or harm you, and just making sure you're safe overall and you've got everything that you need, like food, drink, clean clothes and stuff like that. Family, having a roof, having a bedroom and having walls. A home is a strong structure where you can feel safe with your family.